The United Wa State Party, the largest ceasefire group in Burma, held 4-day celebrations to mark the 20th anniversary of its founding. The celebration, under the title of 20th Anniversary of Peace Construction, was held from April 15 to 18 in Bangsang, on the Sino-Burma border, and it was attended by hundreds of its allies and thousands of guests from China. Bao Yu-xing, the supreme leader of the party and the commander-in-chief of its military wing, the United Wa State Army, presided over a military parade on April 17. The UWSA has about 20,000 fighters who are well armed. It is estimated that there are about 400,000 to 550,000 people who live in Wa State, which is officially known as the Special Region 2 of Burma's Shan State. The region is divided into two parts, the north on the Chinese border and the south along the Thai border.